The airspace under Brazilian responsibility goes beyond its borders. It oversteps the area over its territory and reaches an expressive part of the Atlantic Ocean, making a total of 22 million square kilometers above land and sea, as agreed in international treaties. Indeed, our airspace control takes on huge proportions, which make it a strategic and national security assignment entrusted by law to one of our armed forces. The Department of Airspace Control, DECEA, is the organization of the Aeronautical Command in charge of that job. It's the one that assembles specialized human resources and high-tech infrastructure throughout the whole national territory to provide air navigation services and ensure the security and fluidity of flights. Efforts that embrace a framework of actions that support the called Brazilian airspace control system, such as air traffic management, aeronautical telecommunications, air surveillance, aeronautical information, air navigation aids, aeronautical meteorology, flight inspection, aeronautical cartography, search and rescue, specialized training, and the support to military air operations. The Department of Airspace Control has an extensive infrastructure allocated over more than 100 cities of all 27 Brazilian federal units. Altogether, around 13,000 military and civilian professionals are interconnected by a complex operational network that includes the management and operation of 5 area control centers, 42 approach controls, 59 control towers, 79 regional airspace control detachments, among about 1,000 air navigation aids and flight protection facilities. Feet on the ground, eyes on the future. The DECEA is fully committed to innovation and new technologies. Nowadays, there are several initiatives underway to improve the country's airspace control. Among these, the adoption of Controller Pilot Data Link Communications (CPDLC) over our Atlantic Flight Information region some years ago, and the current implementation on the continent in the north and northeast of the country. CPDLC will relieve saturated voice channels and reduce problems that arise from audio quality, linguistic barriers, and sign propagation. Likewise, the introduction of Automatic Dependent Surveillance Broadcast (ADSB) in an oceanic region with a huge helicopter traffic flow to and from Brazilian oil and gas platform areas, the Campos Basin, will enable the surveillance of aircraft flying at low altitudes and allow the provision of optimum trajectories and flight profiles. This offshore initiative is the prelude to an even larger project, ADSB, over the entire Brazilian continental area, a huge endeavor considering Brazil's 8.5 million square kilometers. It's also worth mentioning the remote and virtual control tower implementation in Brazil, a solution that promises significant cost savings and increased efficiency while adopting advanced technologies that provides an enhanced view of the airfield in all weather conditions. Each year, more than 100 million passengers in about 2 million flights cross our 22 million square kilometers of sovereign airspace that extends our arms over the sea in a bridge to new continents. We are the South Atlantic Gateway. We are the Brazil's Department of Airspace Control.